Hidden beneath the sands of Egypt in the heart of the Valley of the Kings lies one of the greatest archaeological discoveries of all time, the Tomb of Tutankhamun, purposed to serve as his burial site. Inside the tomb, a vast collection of funerary treasures and personal belongings were discovered. Coffins, furniture, clothing, and jewelry. However, due to the limited space, these valuable items were densely packed together. The tomb was targeted by robbers twice in the years following the burial, yet miraculously, Tutankhamun's mummy and most of his treasures remained untouched. Its low position, dug into the valley floor, played a crucial role in its survival. Over time, floods and construction debris buried the entrance, shielding it from the widespread tomb looting that ravaged other royal resting places during the Third Intermediate Period, around 1070 to 664 BC. Then, in 1922, after years of searching, British archaeologist Howard Carter and his team made history. Carter described the moment he first glimpsed inside, saying, "I see wonderful things." And wonderful things they were. The sheer quantity and stunning beauty of the burial goods sparked an international sensation, making it the most famous discovery in the history of Egyptology. Although the discovery provided limited insight into Tutankhamun's reign and the preceding Amarna period, it unveiled invaluable details about the luxurious lifestyle of ancient Egyptian elites and the patterns of tomb robbery throughout history. Today, most of the tomb's artifacts have been relocated to the Grand Egyptian Museum in Giza, while Tutankhamun's mummy remains on display inside the tomb, allowing visitors to come face to face with one of Egypt's most legendary rulers. The Tomb of Tutankhamun, a small resting place, yet a discovery that forever changed our understanding of ancient Egypt. Please don't forget to support us. If you like the video, click like and share your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new video about the history of pharaonic Egypt and Egyptian antiquities. Follow us for more exciting historical stories. And thanks for watching.